What is the difference between CTB and STB files in Autocad? Solution. The CTB and STB are types of plot styles in Autocad which can control the way of objects print in drawings. CTB called as color-dependent plot styles, whereas STB called as named plot styles. A CTB style has a list of colors. You can change the settings of colors of drawing objects for printing by using CTB styles. Example: if you wants to print red color objects in yellow color, then you needs to assign yellow color under plot style table editor. Also you can change the Linestyle and Lineweight. A STB style has a list of style names. Whatever properties assigned in name styles, the objects will be printed according to that properties. Example: if you wants to print white color, 0 layer, objects to red color and different line style or line weight, then you needs create one style with these properties, then assign this style to those objects. See how it works. First we see the CTB file functionality. Draw some objects. Now change the color of these objects to red. Run plot command. Select new CTB plot style. Put any name. New style is created. Click on Edit option. For red color style, assign object color to yellow. Change line weight and line style to any. Save and close the editor. Start print or click on Print Preview button. Here you can see that printed color of objects is yellow. Whereas the original color is red. Now we see the STB file functionality. Run plot command and select new STB plot style. Put any name. New style is created. Click on Edit option. Add new style. Save and close the editor. Now run plot style command. Select the style which we recently created. Click on Edit and for style 1 assign color red. Change line weight and line style to any. Save and close the editor. Click OK to activate the selected style 1. Draw some objects. Run plot command. Click on Preview button. Here you can see that printed color of objects is in red. Similarly, if you assign any other color for style 1, then the objects will be printed according to that color of style. Thanks for watching.